Hi guys, this is Sriram from EssEn. Today I'm gonna share about 5 important things that I've done to start my fitness lifestyle. Let's start together. Number 1. Fixing a clear mindset. Starting a fitness journey is a lifelong commitment, not a one-year tender to go. First, fix a mindset about what are your needs according to your body. Many have many needs. Some want to put on muscles and some want to reduce weight and some want to just start their body maintenance. Whatever it is, you have to stay committed on the process. They fail to get results because they wish to get results immediately, but it doesn't work like that. The key to achieve your dream-shaped body is consistency. Number 2, goals. Start with a goal ahead of you, which you can use it as a map or a route for your journey. Usually, your final goal should be ultimate, which will feel like unreal to achieve it. But if you work hard enough, you can go close to it, which will feel more than you asked for. Break down your ultimate goal to a small goals as a checkpoint to achieve your goal and be more committed to your goal. The broken goal should be easily achievable. By this, you can get a sense of satisfaction when you achieve it. It is like to trick your brain to stay committed and get your final goal. Number 3, knowledge about equipments and workout. Basically, when we enter the gym for the first time, we will be overwhelmed by seeing the equipments over there. We'll have no idea about which equipment is for which muscle. Usually, in Tamil Nadu, we can find many gyms at a moderate price to go. There will be a trainer who can help with these things. For the first 3 months, we should mainly focus on gaining knowledge about the equipments, about the machines, about the workouts. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask the trainers. Get an idea how those machines and workouts works. Start slow by lifting lighter weight. The key here is not to lift a heavy weight, but lift weight properly. I will make a separate detailed video about this topic in future. Number 4, timing. Select a proper timing to hit the gym, which you can do an entire workout without any disturbance. Don't ever try to rush your workout. If you are in a hurry, do less workout, but never rush everything. Morning or evening, no matter, you can hit gym anytime. But you have to make a mandatory decision that you have to follow that time in every single day. Most of them prefer morning workout to start their day more active. But going at evening is also equally preferred by people. Finally, it's according to you because you are going to do your workouts. Number 5, diet. If you are an average Indian, I am sure that you have no idea about what you eat and how much calories you eat. Your diet is mainly based on what's your body goal. It can be either a muscle gain or a weight loss. There are many diet methods out there for it. But I recommend you to eat healthy and avoid eating much fast food. You can still enjoy your diet with the foods you like. I urge you to see your dietitian according to your goal because everyone have a different body type. Not everybody's body and metabolism are same. I'll also make a separate detailed video on this topic. Let me know if you are interested by liking this video. And that's all for the video guys. I hope you find this videos informative. This is just the basic things I have experienced when I start my fitness lifestyle. I'll share more and more things about fitness that I have done or experienced in my life to you because let's get better together. Why not?